This video shows students using Windows how to edit their path environment variable to add Python 3.9 to their path so that they can run Python without having to be in the folder where the Python application was installed. So Windows uses an environment variable called path, which is just a list of folders that Windows will search when looking for a program. So if you did not check the little box that says add Python 3.9 to the path, you'll have to be in the Python 3.9 folder to run Python, which is really annoying. Okay, so to edit your environment variable, in your search bar, you can just type env, and you should get this option here. So edit environment variables for your account. The variable that you want to edit is this one here, and you can, let's look at it here. So edit. So you can see that I already have Python 3.9 and Python 3.9 scripts as part of my environment variable. So whenever I have a command prompt open, I can simply type Python, and I will get the Python 3.9 interpreter. If these two environment variables aren't here, then you need to be in this folder to actually run Python. And so you probably want to add these environment variables to your path. Okay, so first of all, you need to find out where exactly Python 3.9 was installed on your computer. So open up a file manager, and now app data is normally hidden from the file manager because it's considered an important system folder. So by default, well, depending on how your computer is set up, by default it's probably hidden from you. So you have to change the way you have to enable an option that lets you see the folder. So under View in File Manager, go to Options, change Folder and Search Options. Under View, you'll see there's lots and lots of options. One of them will be these hidden files and folders. You want to show those, and then press OK. So go to your home directory. So under C users Burton for me, it might be somewhere else on your computer. I have seen some unusual Windows installations where it's actually under the D drive, yeah, depending on how your manufacturer has installed Windows for you, it could be somewhere funny. So you'll need to, you might have to search around to find the folder that you need. So under app data, you can see that the folder has a slightly different shading than the other folders here. So that's indicating to you that this is in fact one of the previously hidden folders. Local program, programs, Python 3.9. So this is one of the folders that you need to add to your path. So if you click up here in the, I guess the path bar, you'll get the actual file name. So you can just copy that. Now back in your environment variable editor. So again, click on path, edit the environment variable. You want to, if it's not here, create a new environment variable and just paste that into here. And then do the same thing again. Paste the previous directory into here, and then just type scripts, and you're good to go. Right? And then you can press OK, and then OK over here. I'm going to remove them because I already have Python 3.9 in my path, so I'm just going to remove these two. And then when you open up, you'll want to open up a new command prompt. Sorry. And then try typing Python. And if you've done everything correctly, the Python interpreter should start up. If you haven't done everything correctly, go back to your environment variable editor and make sure that you've entered in the environment variable correctly. Don't play around with your environment variables. You can stop other programs from working if you make changes to other environment variables or even to the path. So don't remove anything else that was in the path.